In this video, we'll walk you through how to handle missing or blank values in Power BI. Dealing with blank values is a common challenge, but with Power BI's query editor tools, you can clean and manage these values to ensure your reports and visuals are accurate. Handling missing data is crucial when working with large datasets. Blank values can cause problems in visualizations, calculations, and reporting. Through data transformations in Power Query, Power BI offers multiple ways to clean up your data and ensure that missing values don't impact your analysis. Let's explore some common methods to handle blank or missing values in Power BI. Method 1. Remove rows with blank values. For this method, we'll use a dataset named Demo1 table, which includes columns like ID, name, age, and city, and contains a mix of complete, blank, and null rows. In Power Query, select the column with missing values. Go to Remove Rows, remove blank rows. This will filter out rows with blank values from the table, helping you maintain cleaner and more reliable data for visualizations. Method 2. Identify and replace blank values in Power Query. For this example, we're using a dataset called Demo2 table, which includes product sales data with columns like category ID, product, quantity, and sales. Some values are blank or missing. Open your dataset in Power Query Editor. To find blank values, select the column you want to clean. Go to Transform, Replace Values. For example, in the quantity column, which is a numeric field, we will replace null values with 0 to ensure calculations like totals or averages are not affected. In the product column, a text field, we'll replace null values with a placeholder like error to flag entries where product names are missing. This helps maintain data integrity and also makes it easier to trace and fix issues during data review. Handling missing or blank values is a crucial step to ensure your data is clean and accurate. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.